In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce extension for Gemini in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the extension in the marketplace and install it so Gemini can securely pull relevant Salesforce insights right inside Google Workspace. Quick note before we start. Installing marketplace apps usually requires administrator privileges. If you don't have those, you can still follow along and ask your admin to complete the installation for your organization. Begin in your Google Workspace header and look for the Google Apps icon at the top. It's the familiar grid of dots. Click it to open the apps menu. This menu is your quick launcher and a gateway to places like the admin console and the marketplace, which is where add-ons and extensions for Workspace live. Next, select the pencil icon. You'll see this near the area where add-ons and integrations can be customized. Think of it as the Edit or Manage button for your Workspace experience. Clicking it opens up options to explore more tools that connect with Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Gemini. From there, choose the option labeled More from Google Workspace Marketplace. This takes you to the official catalog of verified apps and extensions. It's the safest place to get Workspace integrations because everything listed has gone through Google's review process and shows clear detail about permissions and data usage. In the Marketplace search bar, type Salesforce. You're looking for the Salesforce extension for Gemini. When the results appear, look for the listing from the official Salesforce publisher and review the description to confirm it's designed to work with Gemini in Google Workspace. You can also scan the Overview and Permissions tabs to understand what data it needs and how it connects. This is a best practice for any extension you install. When you're ready, click Install. You may be prompted to review access permissions. Take a moment to read them carefully, then confirm to proceed. Installation typically completes within a minute. Depending on your role and your organization's policies, you might see options to make the extension available more broadly or just for your own account. If you're not an admin, your view may be limited to user-level installation where allowed. That's it. After installation, the extension will be available when you use Gemini in supported Workspace apps. The first time you invoke it, you may be asked to sign into Salesforce and grant consent so data can flow securely. Keep in mind that what you can access will mirror your Salesforce permissions. With this in place, you'll be ready to surface customer context, summarize records, and work faster right from Google Workspace.